Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English 24 channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Lily.
Hello, Lily. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here.
I'm Alex, and I'm very excited today.
Oh, Alex, you sound extra excited today. Did you drink too much coffee?
Haha, maybe a little, but mostly I'm excited because today's topic is very powerful.
Yes. Today we're talking about how to train your brain to speak in English, not just memorize grammar.
Exactly. Many learners know grammar rules, but when they speak, their brain says, "Error, system loading."
True. And the biggest problem is people think in their native language first, then translate.
And that makes speaking slow and stressful. So today, we'll help you think directly in English.
Place 1. At home.
Let's start with the first place, at home. This is the best training ground.
Yes, your home is like a free English school. No exams, no teacher, no fear.
Tell me something. When you wake up at home, what do you usually say in your mind?
Normally I think, I'm sleepy, I need coffee.
Exactly. Now, here's the trick. Save those thoughts in English, even if you're alone.
For example,
I'm feeling sleepy today. I need to get out of bed. Where is my phone?
yes, talk to yourself like you're your own best friend.
And don't worry about mistakes. Your brain is learning, not taking an exam.
At home, describe what you see. This is my room. The fan is on. My room is messy.
Very honest English. You can also talk while doing small tasks.
Like cooking. I'm cutting vegetables. I'm boiling water. Oh no, it's too spicy.
Your brain starts connecting actions with English words, not translations.
That's how babies learn language. No grammar book, only daily life.
Place 2. On the way / daily life outside.
Now, let's go outside, our second place, on the way while walking or traveling.
Yes, walking time is perfect English thinking time.
When you're on the road, look around and describe things in English.
For example, there are many people here. The road is busy. That shop looks interesting.
You can even comment like a movie narrator.
The hero is crossing the road carefully.
That sounds fun, and fun means your brain learns faster.
If you're on a bus or train, practice simple thoughts.
I hope I get a seat. It's crowded today. I should get off at the next stop.
This practice trains your brain to react in English naturally.
And don't worry if sentences are simple. Simple English is powerful English.
Exactly. Fluency comes first, perfection comes later.
So today we learned, at home and outside, your brain can practice English everywhere.
And remember, think small, think daily, think in English.
All right, everyone, this is the end of our first 10 minutes.
In the next part, we'll continue with 2 new places and more fun brain training tips.
So stay with us, keep listening, and keep smiling. Welcome back, everyone. So far, we talked about practicing English at home and on the way.
Yes, and if your brain hasn't complained yet, that means it's learning.
Now, let's move to our third place, the workplace or study place.
Many learners think, I'm busy at work. I can't practice English.
But the truth is, work is a gold mine for English practice.
Exactly. You don't need to speak loudly or disturb anyone.
You just need to think in English silently.
For example, while starting work, think, I need to finish this task. I'll check my emails first.
If you're a student, I have a class today. This topic is interesting. This lesson is confusing.
Yes, confusing lessons exist in every language.
When your boss or teacher speaks, don't translate every word.
Try to catch the main idea, not perfect meaning.
Your brain learns faster when it understands ideas, not grammar rules.
And here's a fun tip. Pretend you are explaining your work to an imaginary foreign friend.
Like, I'm working on a report. I'm attending a meeting. I need more time.
Your brain says, "Oh, English is useful," and starts cooperating.
Shop 4. In a shop or market.
Now, let's go to our fourth place, the shop or market.
Ah, yes, the place where we spend money and learn English for free.
When you enter a shop, start thinking in English.
This shop is crowded. I'm looking for something cheap. That looks expensive.
And if you're buying food, I need some vegetables. These apples look fresh.
And when you see prices, wow, that's cheap. Oh no, that's too expensive.
You can even practice imaginary conversations.
Yes, I'd like this one. No, thank you. Can I get a discount? Even if the shopkeeper doesn't speak English, your brain does.
That's the magic. You are training your brain, not the shopkeeper.
Little practices like this remove fear slowly.
And one day, when you really need English, your brain won't panic.
It will say, relax, we've done this before.
So today, we covered workplace and shopping places.
And remember, thinking in English is a daily habit, not a special event.
All right, everyone, that's the end of part 2.
In the next part, we'll talk about 2 more interesting places where your brain learns English faster.
So don't go anywhere, keep listening, and keep smiling.
Welcome back, everyone. We're already halfway through our English brain training journey.
Yes, and if you're still listening, congratulations. Your English brain muscles are growing.
Now let's move to our 5th place, something we all use every day. Place 5. While using your phone, social media.
Ah, yes, the place where time disappears.
Exactly. Your phone can be your English teacher if you use it wisely.
First tip, change your phone language to English.
At first, it feels scary. Your brain says, what happened to my phone?
But after a few days, your brain adjusts and learns naturally.
When you open apps, read the words slowly.
Settings, notifications, privacy. These words become part of your daily English.
On social media, read short English posts.
And don't scroll like a robot. Think in English.
For example, this post is funny. I agree with this. That's interesting.
You can even comment in simple English.
Yes, I like this idea. Great post. Thanks for sharing.
Short comments, big confidence.
And remember, mistakes on social media are normal.
Even native speakers make mistakes online. A lot. Now let's go to a very calm and powerful place. Before sleeping.
This is my favorite. No noise, no pressure, only you and your thoughts.
Before sleeping, your brain is relaxed and open.
Perfect time to think in English.
Review your day in simple English.
Today was busy. I learned something new. I felt happy.
Or talk about tomorrow.
Tomorrow I will wake up early. I need to finish my work.
You can even talk about dreams.
I hope tomorrow is a good day.
This habit slowly trains your brain to process emotions in English.
And emotional English is real English.
Plus, it helps you relax and sleep better.
English practice and good sleep. Double benefit.
So today, we practiced English with our phones and before sleeping.
Notice something? English is everywhere, if you allow it.
Exactly. You don't need extra time, just a new habit.
All right, everyone. This is the end of part 3.
In the final part, we'll wrap everything together.
And share final tips, motivation, and say goodbye properly. Welcome back, everyone. This is our final part, and wow, what a journey today.
Yes, from morning thoughts to night reflections, your brain has been working hard.
Now let's move to our seventh place, a place people forget, but it's always with you.
Place 7. Speaking with yourself, your inner voice.
Yes, the most powerful English partner, yourself.
Some people feel strange talking to themselves.
But don't worry, it doesn't mean you're crazy. It means you're learning English seriously. Use your inner voice in English when making decisions.
Should I do this now? Maybe later. This is a good idea.
Argue with yourself in English.
No, that's not right. Yes, I can do it.
This trains your brain to respond quickly without translation.
And confidence grows quietly inside your mind.
Place 8. Talking with people. Real conversations.
Now our final place, real conversations with people.
This is where fear appears, but also where growth happens.
Start small. One sentence is enough.
Hello, how are you? Nice to meet you.
Don't wait to be perfect.
Perfect English doesn't exist. Clear English does.
If you forget a word, relax.
Use another word. Use your hands. Smile.
Communication is more than grammar.
And every mistake is a step forward.
Starring, wrap-up, and motivation.
So today we learned how to train our brain to speak English.
By using daily life, emotions, habits, and confidence.
Remember, English is not a subject.
It's a skill, and skills grow with practice.
And if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future lessons.
That's right. And please share this episode with anyone you know who is also learning English. It would mean a lot to us, and we love to hear from you.
So please leave a comment below telling us about your day in English.
Or any other topics you'd like us to talk about in the future.
Yes, we read your comments and appreciate your feedback.
So until next time, keep practicing your English and have a wonderful day.
Bye, everyone. Bye, Alex.
Bye, everyone. Bye, Lily.